Hello everyone. Welcome to Code with Anurag, where you can find latest job updates and complete placement preparation. Let me ask one question. Have you applied for multiple jobs but didn't get any job, or got a job but with a very low package? If yes, then do you know why? The answer is you need to learn those skills which companies are looking for. So the question is, which skill should you learn, or which is the most demanding skill? The answer is data science. Data science is one of the most demanding skills. Data science has a good future with multiple job opportunities that are increasing with time and a handsome salary, which is much more than the average salary of other professionals. And according to the industry expert, 11.5 million data science jobs will be created globally by 2026. Now let's try to calculate your salary. I mean, how much you can learn after learning data science. So I will put this salary calculator link in the description box. Once you will click on that link, then you will find this website. Now let's click on the get started. Then here you need to enter your name, right? Then click on the next. Then here, let's click on the next. Then here you need to select your profession, your highest qualification, BTech, MTech, whatever it is, right? Click on the next. Then here, your year of graduation. So let's enter 2023. Next, total work experience none, right? If you have any work experience, select that one, right? Next, how would you rate your knowledge in statistics? None, or basic, or intermediate, or advanced, whatever it is. Click on the next. Then how would you rate your knowledge of programming? So if you have any basic knowledge, click on the basic, or none, or let's click on the basic. Next, then are you trained in, currently trained, or uh, are you trained or currently training in data science? Yes or no, based on your choice, right? Let's click on the next. None. After that, your preferred work location, anywhere in India, or if you want particular location, then you can select that one. I'm going to select anywhere in India. Next. Now here you need to enter your email ID, then click on the next. Then you need to enter your mobile number, click on the submit, right? Final step. Now you can see, now based on our inputs, we can earn from 4 lakh to 10 lakh per annum, right? If we upskill our statistics and programming skills, right? So now, so the question is, from where you can learn data science with a placement assistance? Answer is Odin School. You can join Odin School Data Science Bootcamp because Odin School Data Science Bootcamp is the only program where you will not only learn data science but also you will get a placement in top companies with high packages and 360-degree placement assistance. Here you can see the success stories. You will find this link in the description box. So here you can see, for example, Sibarajan got placed in Genpact. After that, you can see Lokesh got placed in Blend 360, and Akshata got placed in Tech Friday. And you can see there are a lot of candidates who got placed in top companies after joining Odin School Data Science, right? And the important thing to note is that all the candidates got high packages because Odin School negotiates on behalf of the students for their salary packages. So you can read all the success stories. I will provide this link in the description box. So after that, now let's discuss about the fee structure. So for this bootcamp data science, here you can see fee is 99,000 rupees plus GST, but you can get scholarship up to 30,000. And one more important thing, there is an early bird offer where you can get additional 10,000 rupees off, but this is limited to the first 100 seats. So hurry up. And if you think you are not able to pay all this amount in one go, then don't worry. There is no cost EMI is available, and which starts at 6,300 rupees per month. And one more important thing, if you wish to withdraw the bootcamp within the first 10 days, your fee will be refunded, fully refunded, right? This is very important, but within 10 days, within first 10 days. After that, you can see upcoming cohorts. Upcoming cohorts are starting. Next cohort is on 27th May 2023, and next to next is 24th June 2023. Registration link is already given in the description box and also in the pinned comment. So in the core modules, you will learn setup to data science, statistics, SQL, Python, EDA, machine learning, Power BI, business intelligence, storytelling. And in electives, you will learn Git, GitHub, NLP, ETL, Spark, Airflow, Azure Data Factory, Power BI Advanced, right? So in this data science course, what you will get? You will get live structured less classes. It means weekend classes, weekend live classes, job readiness in 6 months, project based learnings, unlimited job opportunities, unlimited interview job opportunities, right? For 2 years, for next 2 years. So, what are you waiting for? You can simply fill this form. Right here, you need to enter first name, last name, email ID, your contact number, your year of graduation. After that, your work experience level. Right after that, you can simply click on the request callback, and you are done. So simple. This is very easy step to apply for this. And you can see there are more than 500 companies which are hiring partners of this Odin school. So hurry up, enroll for this bootcamp. And if you have any doubt, please feel free to ask in comment box. I will definitely help you, right? Yeah, if you think this video is helpful, like this video, and you can join our Telegram channel. I'll put a link in the description box. If you think this video is helpful, you can subscribe this channel. Yeah, thank you for watching this video.